So we're making Bun Rieu, which is a Vietnamese noodles.
Yes.
Crab, tomatoes, and pork and shrimp. So the lime is for garnishing and the tomato goes into the broth. We're cutting up green onions and shallots. This is cilantro. So now we're gonna peel the shrimp and mince it. So for this recipe, we are mincing up the shrimp and mixing it with the ground pork to make some meatballs. Usually we would add some crab meat, but we were unable to find any. So we have minced shrimp and pork, and we're gonna put this shrimp paste. It's called like Bun Rieu Dum. Gosh, this is gonna need both of them.
Yeah.
Clearly, she's the chef. I'm the student. So now we're mixing up the pork and the shrimp paste. Sometimes you can also get crab paste at the store. You can also add an egg to the mixture if you like. She's adding some salt for flavoring.
2 tablespoons of vegetable oils.
And garlic.
Shallots. And then I just cook it until it's fragrant, it's aromatic.
So we're adding chicken broth. We're doing a little shortcut from our mommy's. Does your mom do like the broth like from scratch too?
I have real chicken broth that's from scratch, but I like to drink it, so I don't.
Me too. I like
using it
soup.
for recipes.
Yeah. It's boiling. Shall we put this in? Yes. So next, what we have here is the bun.
I'm gonna put the tomatoes in.
Okay. And what we have in here is the noodles.
Yes.
So clearly we are going for efficiency here. Quick, simple, easy meatballs by just throwing in the meat and it's clumping together. It works. You can also make meatballs yourself and it'll be round and perfect, but it all tastes the same. Add a little bit of fish sauce and some chicken soup base. So let it boil and then serve it. To serve it, you put some noodles down, throw in the broth, and there you have it. So hi, so this is Kim, this is Vicky, and we're making Bun Rieu today. She's our main chef, so I'm excited. This is our first cooking video together.
Yeah.
So if there are any advice, comments, feedback, let us know.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the first of many, and hopefully we'll be more smooth as we
Next
go.
time.
So stay tuned for our next episode.
Yes.